I'm Tammy. This is Rick. We are sanding his rims so he can paint them. We have to get in the crease. We do have a sanding machine, but he can't get in the crease with it, so he has one rim, I have another. And that's what we're doing today. Thanks, guys. These rims are for the winter, too. Are you almost done?
Yeah, this one's pretty much done.
How's mine looking?
Pretty good. Did you get in this?
Want to say that to the camera? I did a good job.
Yeah, you did a pretty good job. Missed some spots, but it's all good.
I'm all over the place.
Like, see it in there.
I missed it? Well, that's because you're giving me shitty fucking sandpaper.
What do you think I'm using? And like in here, do like this. Yeah?
Yeah, okay. So that's all I have to do? Okay. Man, I feel like I'm getting no paid for this
Did you
shit.
get all in?
I didn't get all of it in there. I only did these 3. You know? Because I didn't move it around.
It doesn't need to be perfect.
Well, yes, it does, because then the paint job's not gonna look perfect.
Well, I know, but as long as it's like, you know, like it's like really sanded.
Mm-hmm. Can I paint it? Okay.
You know how to paint?
No. But we have an airbrush for that, don't we?
No, I have spray paint can't close.
No, I thought we were airbrushing it.
Yeah, for the clear coat.
We're not airbrushing?
What, unless I burst those fucking cans into the thing?
Well, you know how you airbrushed your car? I thought we were doing that.
Well, I don't have paint for it.
Oh.
I only have those spray.
Investigation design goal.
We are painting these rims pink. 2 will be pink and 2 will be what color? Green. So 2 rims will be pink, 2 rims will be green. And that's what we're doing. Yeah, it's way too sanded. I'm noticing.
No, I think that's not even fully sanded right there.
So it has to be more sanded? What about here? What about over here? This looks way too soft.
See?
So it needs to be more? Okay. I got it. I got it. Move your finger. I know. Yeah, I know.
I have to double check all of them. Like inside of there.
Yeah.
This one's not fully done.
So I'll do that. Okay?
Well, if we both do it, it'll be a lot quicker.
Yeah.
But these red ones are pretty good for it. They're not too, the grit's not as low.
So guys, when he's talking about red, he's talking about these sanding paper. If you're hearing him say red, he's not talking about the burgundy.
They're sort of all red.
Well, no, these are burgundy. This is burgundy. Well, I guess you could say it. Yeah, it's burgundy. When he says red, he's talking about like the pitch red. All right. Rick is working really hard over there on his rim. If you look at his rim to my rim, I think mine looks better.
I'm the one that's sending that one first.
I'm taking credit for his job. Don't mind if I do, guys. You know, I get it done. And then we're gonna sand this baby, guys. Woohoo! I got a spoiler. Wait, is this a spoiler? Yeah, I got a spoiler. Oh God, I'm silly. Then we got those are tires, guys. That's big fat tires right there. But look at my spoiler. I took that off my 98 Volkswagen Beetle. That's all I got left of her, guys. I had to get rid of her. You want to say anything, Rick? Want to say anything?
No, not really. Kinda need to get this shit done.
I can say shit. No, you can't say shit. I said shit. I know. Stop freaking saying it. We got in trouble for saying that word multiple times. And you said it like 4 times. Now I gotta have to cut that shit. I gotta cut that out.
You just said it yourself.
I know. It's such a hard word not to say. You know, it's like in my vocabulary. Can I get a new sandpaper? Mine's destroyed.
Grab a layer.
Oh. Well, can you pass me one? I don't want that
Yeah,
one.
I know, but that one's.
I don't like these ones.
What do you want?
I want the big one. This one.
Oh, 120? You want 80?
I want the strongest.
Yeah.
I'll buy more. We can buy more.
I know, but this soft one doesn't leave lines in it. Makes it nice and smooth.
Okay. Well, it's harder to sand, though, I find.
Here, you want to try this one? Here.
Okay.
Try that one too.
Okay.
That's an 80. That's the rough one.
This doesn't even feel like it has grip on it.
That one's really rough. I know, but you gotta make it smooth after when you paint it, you'll
I
see
thought that's
lines
why
and
we were
shit.
putting them in the tub. We're giving them a bath.
Yeah, I know, but when you sand it rough, you'll see lines in it when you paint it.
Oh.
That's why you gotta make it smooth after.
Oh. Do you think it's gonna stop raining today?
I hope so.
Why don't we just use my nail stain?
Good.
Yeah, because I have a nail kit.
Right.
Yeah, my nail grinder. That would work. You know, to put your fake nails on. You grind your nails. You should
Try
use
it.
that. And we can even try a buffer.
Try it.
Yeah, we should buff the shit out of this with some nail craft. Alright, let me get my nail kit soon.
And
Pedicure. It's in Galveston. I've never had anything like that done to me before. And I felt